So now you've had a stroke, and we sort of look at you and we look at your family members and say, how can we opt out of another stroke? Interestingly, there's a series of things that you can do, that your children can do, spouse, grandchildren can do, that lessen the risk of having stroke or heart attack. And the younger they are when they do it, the more likely they are to avoid a stroke or a heart attack. So when we talk about opting out, what we're really talking about is a little bit about you, the guy or gal who's had the event. But more so, we're talking about your children and your grandchildren who may not have had that and may actually opt out of ever having a heart attack or stroke. The website is called My Life Check. It's part of the American Heart Association website. So if you take Google, if you take Bing, and you go to My Life Check, American Heart Association, you can sign up for it. It has a series of great recommendations regarding blood pressure, diabetes, hypercholesterolemia, exercise, tobacco use, what to eat, what not to eat. So it's not only a way of checking where you are in terms of your risk, it's really a way of then taking tools that have been made available to us through the Heart Association to lessen our personal risk and our family members' risk of having a heart attack or stroke. Heart attack and stroke, to a large degree, can be opted out. So go to My Life Check, American Heart Association, and opt out.